Hey everybody, welcome back to Cookin With James. I'm your host James. I'm excited because tonight is a huge fight, a boxing match. Triple G, Canelo, got friends coming over and everything. And we got the cameraman in the house.
Hey, I'm back.
Cameraman's in the house, baby. So he's back. We're doing an awesome video today, and yeah, so we're super excited. We got ribs and chicken and stuff. So this is what we're doing. We're doing some baby back ribs. I got some other stuff as well, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season this stuff up, and yeah, we'll bring you right back here in just a minute. Done seasoning. This is what we ended up with, and coals are just about done, and we're gonna go ahead and we'll meet you outside of the pit. All right guys, we're at the pit. Weber Kettle offset. Got the ribs here seasoned. I'm just gonna set them over here just like this, and we threw some we got a little bit of mesquite and a little bit of hickory on there, and the wood is catching fire right now, so it's a perfect time to drop the top. So I'm gonna say we'll probably talk to you in about an hour or so and let you know what's going on. All right, the ribs are out there smoking. Now it's time to the chicken. We have boneless, skinless thighs and legs. We're gonna season that right now. We are 1 hour in, so we got, oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. 1 hour in. I love the Weber Kettle. That's what we got in an hour. So yeah, we're gonna let this rock for just a little bit longer, and then throw some sauce on it, and we'll bring you back when we do that. All right guys, we are 2.5 hours in. This is what we got. I have actually been using some of this, the Heinz Carolina mustard. So we're gonna pull these off real quick. And yeah, we're gonna take a minute wrapping. I'm gonna throw some chicken on here as well. We got the big fight tonight, so we'll see you in a minute. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken on now. We got the Vortex and we got the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and put that on for you right now. Alright guys, here's the chicken. I just got the sauce sitting in the middle. We're gonna sauce these things up and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I think we're done. See, we got, I have to use this towel, you know, from, well, oh my gosh. Yes, these are phenomenal. Oh my god. So I sauced all of these with that honey mustard. You know, there's a few for my wife that didn't want it. Those are looking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and we'll meet you back inside for the finale. All right guys, we're done. Here we are. So wrap this. It's been sitting actually for about an hour, so it's still pretty warm, pretty good. And we're just gonna cut right in the middle of it. Oh yeah, you know that's good. And it's cutting just like that. So actually, turn it over, get that back. Oh yeah, these right here. All right, we got 2 bones right here. Now these might be just a little bit more done than I want, but it's all good. There's a good smoke ring on there. This is the Weber Kettle, so I really want just taste and flavor. The sauce we used was awesome. The ribs turned out really good. I really like it better when I smoked them for like 4 to 6 hours on the Oklahoma Joe's, but these actually turned out really good. It was like 2.5 hours to cook these. Oh, hold on. We also had some chicken that we did, and the chicken actually turned out better than the ribs. The chicken turned out phenomenal. Yeah, actually, On this, the chicken turned out better than the ribs. Ribs were a close second, but can't make everything perfect every time. So we're actually gonna give you guys a nice little thumbnail, little picture to look at. That chicken is actually the best thing that we cooked tonight, for sure. So we'll get it together and yeah, we'll show you guys what's going on. And I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers, all the support, and everybody. And you know, we love you. And this is actually gonna be either the grand finale or the season premiere. So yeah, we're good here, guys. And y'all have a good night.
A little bit of a correction. This is actually the season 3 premiere.
Season 3 premiere.
Yep. Since tomorrow, well, this won't be going out until what, Thursday?
Thursday-ish.
So this weekend we actually have a collaboration with what's his name, Raymac, coming out.
Yeah.
The beer can chicken.
That'll
so,
already be out. Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll actually be the season 2 finale. So, anyways, thanks for watching. And what do you say?
Have a good night. We'll see you next time. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that here. You can watch all the videos as well here. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.